Hi everyone, this is Prashant Parthiban. I've been getting messages in LinkedIn asking me what is a downstream systems. So let's see that with an example. By definition, a downstream systems are the systems that depend on data from the upstream systems. So they take the data from the upstream systems, they do their own calculations that gives some kind of business value. That is what we call it as downstream systems. Then what is upstream systems? Upstream systems are actually the source of truth, which is nothing but a source of record. So they have the actual data and they send that data to the downstream systems. Let's see these definitions with an example. So in the property and casualty domain, we have policy administration system, producer management system, billing system, and financial management system. Now, the policy management system is the one that the actual policy data, which is the source of truth. Now, we send the policy data to the billing system so that billing system can use that data to kind of invoice the customer or collect the payments or kind of process the commissions. Similarly, the producer management system, which has the actual brokers are nothing but the entity that brings more business to the insurance carrier. In turn, they get some kind of commissions. Now, the actual producer gets sent to the billing system and financial management system. So the billing system is going to use this producer data and then the policy data and come up with some kind of commission. Like say if I have a policy premium of $1,000, if you say 5% or $50 commission has to be paid. So use this policy data and the broker data, which is upstream data, and send commissions, which gives some kind of business value. Similarly, financial management, like they take the producer data, they take the policy data, and then they kind of process the payments to the brokers. So as per the definition, if you see this example, both billing system and financial management system, they take data from the upstream system and they do their own processing and they give some kind of business value. They don't have their own data. Like when I say own data, they are not the source of record. The source of record is only the upstream system. Downstream systems basically take the data from the upstream systems and does some kind of calculations based on the business rules and give some end value. One thing to note is sometimes the downstream system can be an upstream system. Like in case of billing, right, when you do invoicing, when you collect the payments, you send the data to general accounting. Like general accounting is a system which maintains all the overall financial data. So when those scenarios, billing system can be an upstream system because it has the source of data like the invoices, payments. General accounting consumes the data, does some kind of processing and gives some kind of end results. By definition, an upstream system is a source of truth or the source of record, and the downstream systems are the systems that take data from the upstream systems, does some kind of calculations that gives end value to the business. Now, one thing to note, say you get the data from upstream like producer data to billing or financial. If you end up making some updates in the downstream systems, it is very important you send that updates to the upstream systems so that both the systems are in sync. In couple of days, when the upstream system makes some more update to the same data or entity, there should not be any discrepancies. So the 90% scenario is every time the data goes from upstream to downstream, if you make any updates to the downstream system with the data from upstream system, you need to make sure you inform the upstream system accordingly. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.